this video, we're going to learn how to write a cover letter with ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on your input, it can also help you write a cover letter in a matter of minutes. So in order to do that, first open up your ChatGPT platform, or you can simply open up your ChatGPT application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your OpenAI account. After you are logged in, find the search box at the bottom of the page where you can type in your prompt. Simply write a prompt that tells ChatGPT what kind of cover letter you want to write. You can write job titles, the company's name, and the tone you want to use. For example, after you write down the prompt like this, you can tap on the send button on the right corner, and then ChatGPT will write you the cover letter as per your requirement. You can now download this information and edit your name and other information in the cover letter the ChatGPT has created for you. Review the cover letter and edit it as per needed. Make sure it is accurate, relevant, and personalized. Check for grammar, spellings, and punctuation errors. And you can also ask the ChatGPT to rewrite or improve any parts of the cover letter by writing another prompt, such as you can go to the text box at the bottom again and then type in the prompt rewrite. For example, let me just ask ChatGPT to rewrite the first paragraph. So let me just go ahead and enter rewrite the first paragraph, and you can mention any more changes in the paragraph as well. If you want to add something, just mention it right here. For example, let me just type in improve the closing sentence with more enthusiasm. After doing that, you can simply go ahead and tap the send button one more time, and you'll be able to see that the first paragraph has now been rewritten just as I asked it. So that was how you can easily create a cover letter with ChatGPT. You can now save and download your cover letter. Simply go ahead and press hold the conversation, and then you can copy it by tapping on copy. Go and paste it in a secure folder, and then you can use this in order to complete your cover letter by entering your details, your name, and other information that is yet to be entered. That was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.